Hi, everyone. My name is Mu'taz Rashad. I'm the founder and CEO of DeepView. Today, I will demo VuDecide, our flagship generative AI decisioning product that recommends actions to optimize directly for your business KPIs. This is for the high frequency recurring actions like order fulfillment, replenishment, discounting, redeployment to avoid liquidation, and so forth. And in this demo today, we will show the fulfill, carrier notice, and ship for food and beverage manufacturers. So I'll show you just one slide here to set the context, and we'll dig into the demo. And it's basically three decisioning agents into in one monolithic VuDecide product here. And it is first choosing the factory to fulfill the order from that has capacity, can meet the lead time and so forth, and can deliver the order. So we can have enough carrier notice to deliver to the customer before the must arrive by date. Then it is the truck composition. We have multiple SKUs and multiple quantities per SKU. And then the carrier notice, as I mentioned, is the biggest driver of freight cost savings. For this scale, customer 21-day notice versus 3-day notice is 75% savings. So tens of millions of dollars in savings. All right, so let's dig into it. And we will go to the right tab here, Fulfill Ship. And we will choose first the AI real-time decisioning view. So I will upload an order file, which is a CSV file with multiple rows for different customer DCs. And again, there is multiple SKUs for each DC. So we'll upload this file, which will now, when we click proceed, it will call the API to run the inference for the model and give us real-time decisioning. All right, so it came back for the California customer. It filled from Missouri, 16-day notice is great. Pay $3,960 to ship across the country, and it's delivering well before the must arrive by date. For the Oregon customer, it filled from Missouri as well, and it did also 16-day notice. And again, it delivered before the must arrive by date. So these are all great decisions, all over 15-day notice, 21 days for the Texas customer, which is great, right? Going across the country. Across the country for Colorado, Missouri for Texas, it's reasonably close. And these are all great decisions with great carrier notice, 16, 20, and 21. Let's look at the planning view. Again, we'll go to this tab and we'll take the planning view. In the planning view, you can look at the variety of decisions over a given period, 1 month, 1 quarter, and so forth. So let's dig in. So here you can give any date range you want. I'm going to do, for example, from, let's say, end of January till, let's say, late April. All right. There is 88 pages here, tons of decisions. You can see the carrier notice varies, right? Sometimes it's very tight. It's 4 days. Here is 12 days, 18, 15, 15 again, and so forth, right? But let's look at it now for a given month. And again, comparing to the baseline. So here is comparing the baseline at the first 2 months of the year, January, February, and March, right? And you can see per week here, the blue is the AI agent, the red is the baseline. So 1,600 versus 3,000, right? For the last 2 weeks of March. In the middle of February here, or first week of February, right? 3,400 versus 1,700. We're basically saving quite a bit, right? But it varies depending on what's happening with the factories, what's happening with the carrier rates, and so forth. Let's look into March and take the last day of March here, and let's look at the aggregate stats for March. So for March, we saved almost 20%, 19.5 in freight savings, which is great. The full rate optimization is 22%, which is also wonderful, right? This is very significant for this scale customer. Let's look at what happened in April. Again, just over 20%. The rate improvement is 25.5%. So this is the kind of models we build for decisioning within the inventory and freight optimization use case. Thank you very much and see you in the next demo.